Hello viewers, welcome to My Joy Digital Skills Training Center. Do you know that blogging can be a lucrative online business if approached creatively and strategically? Here are what you must do. First, consider affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services relevant to your niche, you can earn commissions for each sale made through your referral links. Next, explore sponsored posts. Companies often seek bloggers to write about their products, providing compensation in exchange for exposure to your audience. Another option is creating digital products such as ebooks or online courses, leveraging your expertise to generate income directly from your readers. Additionally, consider offering coaching or consulting services, allowing you to monetize your knowledge while providing value to your audience. Displaying ads through platforms like Google AdSense can also yield passive income as you earn money based on clicks or impressions. Lastly, with creativity and dedication, your blog can become a significant source of income. Thank you for watching, but remember to subscribe for more videos like this.